Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about WeakMap. So what we're gonna do is, moving on, use the const method to create a WeakMap. Name it as WeakMap1, something like that, and use the new operator to create WeakMap. And inside that, what we're gonna do is oh yeah, we do nothing. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is create a const, create something like object1 and put that. And now what we're gonna do is we will create another object. I mean, these are empty object, so after that, object2 equals an empty object. Now we will use WeakMap1, the prototype of WeakMap, and use the set method. Set method. It has a set method which will put inside that. If you don't know, you can check it out. I have a video about that. And just use the foo and log it on a console. WeakMap1 has, and inside that, object1. Oh, there's an error. New WeakMap. Oh shit! I always forgot. Use the camel courtesan. Yeah. Now when we do that, you're gonna say true because it has that. As you know, what has does, it's like the in operator. It will check that is it having that property or not, and if it has that property, so what we return as a boolean is that having it, so it's true. And of course it will be false, it's don't. So, and if we do like object2, we do not put object2 here, and when we do that, it's gonna say false. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.